best ways to make money with affiliate marketing, $200 to $2,000 daily. Hey there, future affiliate marketing mavericks. If you're looking to unlock the secrets of making money online, you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving deep into 3 proven methods to boost your affiliate income, even if you're a complete beginner. We're not talking pennies, my friends. We're talking about unlocking the potential to earn substantial sums of money, $200 to $2,000 per day. Stay with us because we will drop some knowledge bombs in this video. Method number 3, niche site method. The niche site approach is all about finding the perfect niche with products that offer generous commissions and creating content around it. It can make anywhere $500 to $5,000 per month. In our experience, anything related to fitness and finance is the most lucrative but very competitive. So, if you are a complete beginner, stay away from these niches. Rather, find some low competition niches. Here is the quickest method to find a low competition niche for affiliate websites step by step. 1. Take a huge site like TechRadar.com or any other. 2. Put it into SEMrush and go to organic keywords. 3. Set the difficulty from 0254. Set the include filter of word, best, into keywords 5. There you have it, my friends, tons of low competition affiliate keywords for niches. 6. Now go to ClickBank and Amazon and select a niche with high demand products that have attractive commission rates. Now set up a site and create engaging reviews and articles that captivate your audience, making them trust your recommendations. With well-crafted content, you become the go-to authority in your niche. When someone makes a purchase through your affiliate link, ka-ching, you earn a commission. It's like having your very own 24/7 money-making machine. But remember, success here takes time and effort. So, choose your niche wisely, create quality content, and watch the commissions roll in. Method number 2, Facebook PPC method. If you want to supercharge your affiliate marketing game, this is the way to go. Imagine this. You've chosen an irresistible product to promote. With Facebook PPC, you can target your ideal audience with precision. Your ads will reach people most likely to convert, increasing your chances of earning hefty commissions. As your campaign gains momentum, the commissions start flowing in like a river. It's like turning a tiny stream into a massive waterfall of affiliate earnings. But remember, mastering Facebook PPC takes some trial and error. You also need to have a daily ad budget of $50. So invest wisely, optimize your campaigns, and watch your profits soar. Method number 1, social media method. Now, method number 1 is both free and easiest. We're talking about harnessing the power of social media. Platforms like Instagram, YouTube, Reddit, Medium, and LinkedIn can be your ticket to affiliate marketing riches. Imagine this. You found a hot product to promote from ClickBank with commissions of $200 per sale. Here we would recommend going into health and finance related products. Now, start sharing engaging posts, videos, and articles about it on your chosen social media platforms. It's like becoming a digital influencer, but without needing a massive following. Websites like Medium.com and LinkedIn can rank very quickly for competitive terms, so you can use this opportunity to rank your article. As your posts gain traction and people engage with your content, those affiliate commissions start pouring in. And here's the best part, it's free. But remember, consistency is key. Build your audience, provide value, and watch your affiliate income skyrocket. And there you have it, folks. 3 proven ways to make money with affiliate marketing. Now, I want to hear from you. Which method are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our future guides to online success.